Hi everyone, I'm in the process of publishing 0.2.0 of the shadcn UI kit. You can see that the ticker is ticking and it's publishing all kinds of components. And the library kind of got a bit fatter because we decided to integrate all of the Lucide icons directly inside of the shadcn kit as well as the Tailwind colors. So in the beginning, we made this choice to kind of only put certain colors into the kit. Now we've made a choice to put all the colors in the kit. They're still raw colors, so we don't have the semantic layer, and that's on purpose. But essentially, if you download or duplicate the kit right now, you will see that it has all the colors from shadcn, which are here. I mean all the Tailwind colors, but that's kind of implied that shadcn uses Tailwind colors and uses all the Lucide colors. Now, people who don't really want this and want like a lightweight library, what you can do is something that you have to know is that the first like 30 or so icons are actually being used and the other ones are not. So if you want to make it more lightweight again, you can simply delete like everything below, let's say the third line, and you can also delete everything after blue. So you could just delete everything here from the docs and it will be straight back again like the way it was. You would also have to delete the variables. So you would go in here and you would click all of this and do like delete groups. So this would make the library simpler again. But we learned from the community with 7 votes, I think, versus 0. It's also my opinion. I also voted that people prefer to just have the options ready. So that's the update about the shadcn kit. I hope everyone is enjoying it. I see we have more than 5,000 people who've duplicated it. Well, 6,800. So very nice. Thank you all. And if you have any comments, please let us know on GitHub.